Yeah, hi Daryl, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I received your laser and I've been doing some work on it for you. Basically, I tested it before I'd done anything and the laser was dead, totally dead, wouldn't do anything. Basically, it's been once and that was it. I've checked everything. It's had, it's had a whack of use. It's not a new part. There's a little bit of wear on the cogs, but nothing major. I haven't changed them. What I've done is I've re-greased them up. I use a bit of Vaseline, which is perfectly fine for that. So basically what I've done is I went ahead and I went and changed this laser part for you. So now we're all working and everything's good. The date there, I apologise for that because I don't think that's the correct date. I'm so bloody busy and I don't even know what day it is. But anyway, there you go. It's all working, so let me just switch that on for you. You have to keep in mind I've got a bit of sellotape on there, alright, so the disc is not 100% straight because obviously you'll have a clamp on there. But it just gives you the gist of what's going on and it's working. I'll just turn it up for you. I've let it play for as long as I can because I know you want this back urgent. So obviously I've gone through the motions with it. Check it to read to the end of discs, etc. And you can see there it fires up straight away. It's playing. Spindle's all good as well. It's there's nothing wrong with it. It's a good bit of kit, but it has seen a bit of action. Yeah. So there you go. Right, I've really gone out of my way to get this sorted for you today. So I hope you do appreciate it because I am really busy at the moment. But I know you wanted it urgently, so I've done it for you. So there you go. Thank you very much. Please leave feedback when you're happy and you've tested it and everything else. Have a good Christmas. Have a great Christmas. Now you've got a jukebox. Thank you very much, and we do appreciate your business. And remember, you've got a 6-month warranty, parts and labour. We don't give you any hassle if there's a problem. All we ask is you pay the postage, and we sort the rest for you. Okay? So really appreciate that. Thank you very much.